Also developing now, the teen suspects in the killing of Caleb Quick outside of Clovis McDonald's appeared in a packed courtroom this afternoon. Action News reporter Gabe Ferris was there as the 16-year-olds, who are boyfriend and girlfriend, were told they've been charged with murder. Gabe joins us now live from the Fresno County Juvenile Justice Center. Gabe?
Margot and Warren, today here at the Juvenile Justice Center, we got our first look at the two teen suspects accused of gunning down Caleb Quick and then driving away. Action News is not naming them due to their ages. The teens accused of killing Caleb Quick at a Clovis McDonald's were in juvenile court for the first time Wednesday. No pleas were entered and no evidence was presented. Cameras were not allowed inside. We could only take notes on what we saw. At 1:37, the teen girl entered the courtroom in an orange sweater. Her parents were sitting in the front row. They held hands and cried. The girl sat without any visible emotion as the judge said she was charged with murder and ordered her to stay in juvenile hall until her next court date.
We'll definitely enter a denial at the arraignment, the continued arraignment.
Defense attorney Jeff Hammerschmidt is representing the girl who investigators believe was the getaway driver. Hammerschmidt has just begun reviewing the evidence.
There's a lot we still don't have. There's body cams, there's photographs, there's other videos, and I've seen them referenced in the reports, but I don't have access to them.
The girl's boyfriend is said to have pulled the trigger. They are accused of acting together, but their cases are being handled separately in court. He entered at 1:54. His parents and brother were already there. He had a buzz cut, a purple shirt, and dark blue sweatpants. A far cry from those images police say show him in all black watching Caleb Quick for 13 minutes inside that McDonald's. Quick's family and the community are still looking for answers. There's no public motive, no clarity about who owned the gun, no idea how the accused killers knew the victim was at the McDonald's. Action News legal analyst Tony Capozzi says it could be months until the details come out.
There may be additional evidence that's out there that both the DA and the defense need to know, but the major issue is going to be whether or not the prosecution, and I believe they are, going to ask the court to treat them as adults and send them over to the Superior Court.
Quick's family is pushing for them to be tried as adults. Prosecutors will try, the defense will push back. The contrast is stark, a maximum of 7 years in juvenile hall with a sealed record, or up to life in state prison with everything public.
Because the crimes are so egregious and so aggravated, it's going to be difficult for the juvenile court to hear this case. But again, it's up to the judge to make that decision.
The two teens are now due back here in juvenile court next month for what is shaping up to be a very long court process ahead. Caleb Quick's parents say that they are closely tracking the case as they search for answers. Reporting live in Fresno County, Gabe Ferris, ABC 30 Action News.